Honestly, this was a concept that we weren't sure was going to work, but it was too much fun not to try. Hey, I'm Nate with Distil Union, and this is our MagLock belt. It's a no-buckle, minimal belt with a super strong magnetic hold that you can easily adjust for comfort. At Distil Union, we re-engineer everyday items with better materials and functional touches that make them more fun and easy to use. And this belt is no exception. What we came up with gets rid of uncomfortable buckles. Instead, an array of interlocking magnets form a super strong hold. The MagLock belt delivers everything you need in a belt, like comfort, fit, adjustability, and keeping up your pants. There are no holes, no flapping ends to deal with. We took all the hardware and put them inside the soft parts. The sockets paired with magnets create a powerful mechanical magnetic hold inside a thin, flat form factor. We use neodymium magnets, which are incredibly strong. Since we got rid of the buckle, it's easier to put on your pants or take off your pants or adjust. This no buckle belt has a clean, minimal look, and it holds up your pants, which is the #1 job of a belt. Plus, the magnets have some pretty cool functions. You're able to hang it in your closet, on a metal bar, in your locker, or even on a drywall corner, so it's easy to find. After a year of prototyping and collaborating with our manufacturing team, we've got a solution that's patent pending and ready for production. And we're calling it MagLock because it truly is a Loctite magnetic hold. It comes in full grain leather, durable nylon, and a literal stretch goal. These options will go from getting dirty to getting dressed up. It's perfect for chopping wood, carrying water, and anything else you get up to. But we need your help. This is our 10th Kickstarter since 2012. We love being part of the community and sharing our design journey with backers like we did with pull-tab wallets that let you customize your carry, interchangeable key organizers, and unbreakable sunglasses that clip onto your shirt and stick to your fridge. So check out our pledge levels and don't even worry about size or color right now. We'll send out a survey after the campaign. Thanks for watching and appreciate your support so we can keep making fun gear. All right, thanks. Maybe we can just shoot the video.
Let's try it with a pen.
All right.
Okay. You want me to just take her?
Well, we can finish with Pemba. One more time. We're calling it MagLock because it truly is a Loctite magnetic hold. You gotta go.
Come on.
Gotta go.
You want to sit over here?
I'm gonna have continuity problems with you.